Welcome back, guys. This is part 4 of our Android tutorial series of to-do list app. So, in previous video, we worked on our SQLite database and recycler view and adapter. So, in this video, we will move ahead where we left. So, we were in our add new task.java file. In this file, in onViewCreated function, inside the if statement, you have to come here, and now after this is if statement, say button dot set enable is equals to false. So after this, right here edit text dot add text changed listener, and inside this write new text watcher and press enter. It will create three functions. So we only need the middle one on text change function, and we don't need the above and below function. So inside right here on text change function, if char sequence dot to string dot equals, and inside this give a empty string, and inside the if statement right here say button dot set enabled as false. This is we are doing because if user don't write anything on the edit text, the button will be disabled. And set the color of say button dot set color, set background color to gray. So right here color dot gray, this will show our button is disabled. So, and if the string is not empty, so write in else part save button dot set enabled as true. So now let's set up click listener on our button. So below this bracket right here say button dot set on click listener, set on click listener and create new on click listener. Inside the on create right here string text is equals to edit text dot get text dot to string, and close this. And below this write an if statement, if is updated and give parenthesis, and as you can see is updated is giving an error. Press alt enter, make it final. So now after this inside the if statement right here mydb dot update task, and inside this give bundle dot get int, and inside this pass id as key, and after comma right here text. Now after this write an else statement. Inside the else statement right here to do model and name it as item is equals to new to do model, and after this right here item dot set task is equals to text, and item dot set status as 0, and right here mydb dot insert task and pass here item. And after this else statement write dismiss. So now scroll up, we need to create an instance of this fragment. So here write public static add new task, this is name of our fragment, and write here new instance, make sure to write correct spelling, and give a bracket and write curly bracket, and inside this return new and give our fragment name add new task. So after this scroll down, we will have to override a function with name on dismiss. So right here on dismiss, so this will create an overridden function, and after the super write here activity and name it as activity is equals to get activity. So now we have to create a interface, so let's create it. So firstly minimize this adapter, and inside your main package, this is com.pawan.singh.todo list, create a new Java class and click on interface and name it on dialog closed listener, on dialog closed listener, and press enter. So now inside this interface we have to do a simple task, write void on dialog close, on dialog close, and give a bracket and write inside the bracket dialog interface and name it as dialog interface and close this. So the work is done here. Now move back to our add new task.java file here. So after this get activity statement, go below and create a if statement, write here activity space instance of, or give our dialog which we created on dialog close listener and give curly bracket and give two brackets here, bracket inside bracket, and write here on dialog close listener, and outside first bracket write here activity and outside second bracket write here dot on dialog close and pass here dialog, pass dialog. Yes, so our this task is done for add new task. So close this and close all other files which we don't need. So go to main activity.java file. So inside the on click listener which we have created for add button, so firstly implement the interface which we created, write here implements on dialog close listener, and this will give an error. Press alt enter and click on implement method. So here you can see on dialog closed method is shown. So firstly make some variables, write here private list of to do model type, write here to do model and name it as mlist and close this, and again create one more variable private as to do adapter and write it adapter. So our variables are done. So write here mlist is equals to new array list and close this, close this, and after this adapter is equals to new to do adapter, and inside this pass the, like firstly give the database name, so write here mydb, and after this pass the activity name as main activity dot this and close this. So our variable work is done. So now inside on dialog close write here mlist is equals to mydb dot get all task and close this, and after this write here if we want the reverse of the list which we created, so write here collections dot reverse and pass here mlist, this will reverse our list, and write here adapter dot set task as mlist and adapter dot notify dataset change, notify dataset changed. So we also need the same code of this 3 line above, so just copy them, and after the adapter statement here paste these 3 lines. So now let's work on click of the button. So go to on click here, write add new task dot new instance and after the instance write dot show, and right here get support fragment manager comma add new task dot tag. So we have got a little problem here, our tag is showing error. So just press alt enter. You can see many methods here. So let me check on the class where we have defined our tag. So go to add new task fragment here and scroll up and find the tag. So we have defined this variable, tag variable as private, so make it public. So this is done. Now come back, the error is gone now. So now let's set the manager for recycler view. So below this adapter, right here recycler view dot set fixed size and pass it true. And after this recycler view dot set layout manager and write a new linear layout manager, and inside this give the context as this, and below this write recycler view dot set adapter and pass adapter here and close this. Now you can run the app. So after we run our app got crashed. So let's see why it got crashed. So you can see this blue link here. This is the crash list of app catalog. So you can check here why it is crashed. So scroll down. There will be some error in red lines. So read this error. Null, it is null pointer exception, and click on this add task, add new task file. Here it is saying the error is in m save button. So let's check this ID. Press Ctrl and click on this add button. It is not taking us to anywhere, and click on edit text. So here it is the issue. We have defined ID for edit text but not defined for button. So we will have to give an ID to this button. So in next line write ID and give it an ID of, the ID of both field must be same. Here the ID name is add button. So here also write add button. So it is okay. So now the error must be gone. So you can rerun this app now. So our app is running now. So it has been installed successfully. This is our splash screen and this is our main screen. If we click on the add button, you can see a bottom fragment is appeared here, and if you enter the task name in your edit text, let me name it as new task, new task in AWTASK task, and click on save button. So you can see a new task has been added here. Now if I click on the add button again and don't write anything, you can see a blank list is added again. So if you want to mark the status as done, so you can click here. You can see the status of task is like completed. So that's it for this tutorial. We will create one more tutorial for the features like deletion and updation of our task. Thank you for watching the video till end. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends, and stay tuned for more such tutorials. Thank you.